Sa talo ang Mon Team / Bass Team at ang napili nila Fruity Mix for today, ang ating special concoction without to be apple and ketchup. Kindly get your piece and dip it in generous amount. Welcome back to Mix Olympics! So after game number 1, lamang ang Pata team with 8 points and ang Mon team / Bass team, they have 4 points. Okay na, kasi eto na, ready na tayo for game number 2 which is called Line 'em Up. Each team will be given a set of names and words for them to arrange accordingly to the order that we are looking for. They must press the buzzer once they are finished. Once the buzzer is pressed, the other team is no longer allowed to change their order. Each correct answer is equivalent to 1 point. Representatives, kindly stand up and lapit na dito sa unahan. Pata team, hindi pa makapag-decide kung sino ang lalapit. Si Ebe na. Ebe and Francis. Pwede. All the words are there, magkakasama na. So, once I say go, buksan nyo lang yung board natin and you guys will see everything there. Okay, here we go.
Teka, may clue ba to? O pagbukas?
Meron. Sasabihin ko naman. Okay, so ang first one natin, hinahanap natin chronological order.
Uy, coach you!
12 days of Christmas gifts. Go! Go! You guys can help out.
What? Huh? 12 days?
12 days of Christmas gifts. Chronological, ha? Chronological. We're looking for 4. Has to be in the correct order.
Ano yun? 1 to 12 or 12 to 1?
1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12.
Yan. 4 daw. Okay.
Golden birds.
Kung ako sa inyo, maglagay na kayo. Pag nag-buzz sila, wala kayo nakalagay.
Sakto mo, baka makita. Yes. Hindi, alam naman nila yan.
1 to 12 yan. Golden birds.
Pwede na mag-buzz, ha? Kapag tapos na.
Oo, para wala pa sila. Ay, hindi. Teka, pwede ba ulit mag-buzz? Kumita ka ulit.
Pag nag-buzz na, that's it. We stop, yes.
Tama yan.
Unless you guys are sure, wag muna kayo mag-buzz.
Tagalog yung alam ko eh.
Kapag wala kayong nalagay dyan at nag-buzz yung kabila, wala kayong chance to score a point.
Pasko.
Park dancing and baby dancing ata. Tapos once a swimming, tapos 5 hours party. Nata.
Yari tayo. Calling for Censor nyo na lang.
Sila na bahala dyan. Kaya na sa editing yan. Sige lang. Laro lang.
One, di ba?
Okay, once you guys are done, anytime you guys are done, buzz para tigil na yung kabila.
Bugs.
Pwede na mag-buzz, ha? It's okay. So, naayos na rin naman yung setup. Okay, pakiharap sa lahat.
Ay, di ba una lang mag-buzz?
Hindi.
Kailangan tama.
So, noong nag-buzz, ang Pata team, tinan natin ang kanilang setup. Ito, ang chronological order. Ang una, 4th day, calling birds.
Yeah!
Okay, so that's 1 point.
Yan lang yung part.
7th day, swans swimming. Okay, correct. 9th day, ladies dancing.
Oh! Ay, hindi, nalaglag lang.
And 11th day, pipers piping.
Hindi, nalaglag lang.
Napagbaliktad yung dulong, dalawa. So you guys get 2 points.
Hindi, nalaglag lang.
At kayo naman, calling birds, that's correct. Swans swimming, that is incorrect. Ladies dancing, that is incorrect, napagbaliktad. At yung dulo, pipers piping. So you guys get 2 points each.
Alright.
Okay, pantay pa rin. So pwede you guys can take out all the items na nagamit ko na para hindi na mahalo.
Hindi na babalik.
Hindi na kailangan.
Okay, I get it.
And then, if you guys wanna change representatives, pwede. But if not, we can move on.
I'm not very fast.
Okay lang, nagtutulungan naman lahat ng teams eh, so that's okay. Here we go, eto. Once again, chronological order.
Alam po na yan.
Ano? Summer Olympics host city, Joe!
Patay tayo.
Hindi ko alam. Help me out.
Ano nga yan, oh? Beijing.
Beijing noong 2010 years.
City ba ito? Lugar. Karagran ni tao yan.
Are you sure?
From the first one.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not a sports guy.
Una yan.
Ano sumunod eh?
One piece there.
Hindi ako sigurado.
Anong pinaka nauna at pinaka nahuling nangyari sa mga events na yan?
Beijing to.
Ganyan.
Okay, it's okay.
Ano?
Parehas lang naman, both teams are done. Okay, kindly
Pero umuwi.
kumarap. Nauna tayo dito sa Mon team / Bass team. So let's see. 1896. First one, of course, Athens.
Kasi di ba
1996,
Sydney.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, man.
2000 Sydney Olympics and the 2008 Beijing.
Yeah.
So, 2 points para sa inyo at kayo naman. Nauna ang Atlanta.
Di ba umulit? Di ba umulit sa atin?
Medyo nag-fast forward kayo ng 100 years. So, dapat Athens ang una, so that's incorrect.
Kala ko umulit.
Atlanta, the second one, incorrect. Third is Sydney, that is incorrect. And the last one is Beijing. So, you guys got 1 point
Di ba umulit yung
for that. Pero technically, sila yata yung nauna.
umulit?
Sila una.
Oh,
Sila yata talaga yung nakauna.
Paulit pa lang.
Ano
Ayun.
yung yung pagkakaintindi?
So, dadaanin nyo pa kami sa technicality, ha? Anything, take it out.
Shadow games.
Dito tayo sa last. Okay, here we go.
Edad to pare.
Akala natin.
Pop princesses.
Patay tayo.
Oldest to youngest. Go!
Kunin mo na lahat yan.
Oldest to youngest. Oldest to youngest.
Hindi!
Very interesting.
Kakalabas na lang sa Nickelodeon, di ba?
talaga?
Natam na to pare, sabi na anak ko.
Si Glock may tulong ng anak.
Hindi, si Miley Cyrus.
Parang Taylor.
Si Selena Gomez.
Ewan ko, ano sure.
Ewan ko sa kanila.
Ito, paano to? Balik na.
Oldest to youngest, ha? Oldest to youngest.
Hindi mas mataas. Oldest to youngest.
Mga bata. Ito
Yeah.
Oldest to youngest. Nasa taas ang oldest. Nasa taas ang oldest.
Parang...
Hindi na bata.
Yan. Yan.
Oldest, yeah, okay.
Oldest sa taas, youngest sa baba.
Try mo na!
Wag mo.
Wala na kalagay.
Ayan, sige, ayos na yan. Okay, Ebe.
Oldest.
Pwede. Okay, let's see. Oldest, born December 1989.
Miley.
Pinakataas. Taylor Swift.
Patay tayo. Wala na.
1989. July 1992. So mali ang una ninyo.
Mali na.
July 1992, Selena Gomez. Mali pa rin. Third one is November 1992, Miley Cyrus. And the last one is Ariana Grande, June 1993. So you guys got nothing from this round. At kayo naman, yung una ninyo, Miley, that is incorrect. The second one is Taylor Swift, incorrect. Third one is Selena, it should be Miley Cyrus. And the last one, Ariana Grande, you got right. So 1 point para sa inyo for this round, which means after game number 2, dito sa game na to, Mon team, Pata team with 5 points, ay Mon team / Bass team with 5 points, at ang Pata team with 3 points. So, kayo naman guys, have your turn dito sa ating punishment wheel. Sino gusto mag-ikot? Ebe?
No punishment.
Ano nga yung game na tayo na isang team?
Okay, spirit.
Kailangan yan.
Ang gusto ninyo, no punishment. Ang napunta sa kanila ay fake drink. At mangyayari yan sa pagbabalik lang ng Mix Olympics.
Russell eh.